Magic Kingdom and getting ready for the park.
Was it recording?
Yes, it is. We have our Disney shirts on. You guys, I haven't even introduced you to my husband yet.
Oh,
my YouTube family hasn't met you officially. This is my husband, you guys. Nelson. So today we are at Magic Kingdom because we're gonna attempt to take some like pregnancy, maternity type pictures, especially now since it's the holidays and Christmas. Magic Kingdom is gonna look all cute and pretty. I got some what's it called, some Christmas ears. You gotta see them, they're so cute. Look at them. I got them from Etsy, and I got these shirts from Etsy too. And it says baby.
It fits in there.
All right, but we're really excited. We came on a Wednesday. Hopefully the crowd isn't too bad.
You're gonna fit your sweater in here.
Yeah, you're gonna try?
We'll try and see.
If not, you can try and put it in my
Now we can sell it to somebody.
Whatever. All right, let's see. Can't really see my ears from that angle, but
This Osprey backpack is
cute.
the best.
Oh my god, they look really cute. I have to go like this so you can see. We had gotten some Starbucks on the way there. We were starving. Ew, can you not burp like that on camera? You're so gross.
What does it mean?
You could turn off the car, you know.
It's waiting for you. It's hot. It's gonna get hot fast.
But we're gonna go ahead and get going.
Yes. Cause I gotta use the bathroom.
Me too. Yay! Things have definitely changed. There's no more, what is it called? The little trains?
The trams?
The trams. There's no more trams. We have to walk.
This is going the healthy route.
Yeah, putting in more steps. Look at our shirts.
Steps today.
Oh yeah. I mean, it's gonna suck at the end of the night when we're all tired and having to walk all the way back to the car, but
It's gonna be great.
it is what it is. It's a beautiful day out today. We look so cute! Mom and Dad. Daddy! Mommy! You can't see. Mommy, Daddy. Baby! Mommy, Daddy, baby. Mommy, Daddy, baby. I love it. We packed some sweaters just in case. Hand sanitizer. We have our masks. I'm so out of breath. I only walked a couple feet. This is what it is to be pregnant. Always out of breath. Always needing to pee. And I'm sure it's carrying this camera too.
It's an arm workout in itself.
Yeah, I know. I need it. Okay, so now I have a videographer.
There's a car behind us. Oh my god.
No, but honestly, the weather is so good. Baby, you're way too close.
Perfect.
These Christmas ears are perfect. And your mustache is perfect too. So cute. We're heading into the Emporium. How do you feel?
Hungry.
Let's see if we can find some baby stuff. Oh, wait, let's go this way. I found something baby. Look. A baby Mickey for the baby. This is adorable.
Got a little blankie of Pluto.
Oh, let me see his blankie. It's like a swaddle. How much is it? Does it say? Can we get like a basket? It doesn't say. Let's hold it for right now.
You want to get it now?
Oh, get one of those baskets. It's just an option. It's not an option, we're getting it. Okay. Just, you know, keep it. Oh, that's cute. Alice in Wonderland. Little board games. More games. More games. Games everywhere. Look at this puzzle, babe. This is cute. It's 1,000 piece. It's $24.99. I like it. It's not too much. I wanted to see the little figurines here. What mobile checkout?
You check out on your phone. You want to know how to go to the
Oh yeah. Look at the little Toy Story bucket. Oh, that's cute. How much is this? $24.99. It's a little fork from Toy Story 4. I still haven't seen Toy Story 4. 4, please. I really like the bucket.
This is cool.
You pick stuff up with it.
It's cool though.
Moana. Look, all the Nightmare Before Christmas stuff. Ooh, Christmas stuff. What is this? Is this for a dog or a baby? I can't tell. Oh, dog. Yeah, it's for a dog. Bane would not fit in that. This is cute. Oh my god.
Look at this backpack.
That's adorable. How much is this?
Put on the $85. $85, it's close.
Oh, I love all of this. Oh. I swear, Disney around Christmas time is the best. Oh, that's cute.
That's cool.
I love this. Welp's Lodge. Oh, I love it.
Oh, there you go. Look at the apron.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, perfect.
When he's blowing his bubbles.
Looks like you.
Just like me.
Chinky eyes and all.
I always get this mix.
Fun to share, but nobody ever wants to.
I was wondering where they had like the Christmas ornaments.
Oh, those are cool ears.
Oh look, this is the Disney soap dispenser and it dispenses in a Mickey head.
Really?
Yeah.
That's cool.
It doesn't have a price, but that is super cool.
Because it's priceless.
It doesn't really feel like it's a Wednesday. I feel like it's still kind of busy.
Because it's Disney.
I know what it is.
No, you don't.
Maybe we could find a pin for the baby. Look at all the pins.
Well, they got some cool ones. So baby Pluto.
I want one for like a baby Mickey or something. Oh my god, there's so many. What are these?
From Toy Story. He doesn't know Toy Story.
Oh, this one's a birthday one. That one's really cute. The doggy song for Bane.
Yeah, he would tear these things up.
Oh, look, and it comes with a non-slip. That's adorable.
There's magic everywhere! It's time to celebrate!
He's coming. He's like, Mommy, Daddy, where's the baby? Like,
I didn't know what he was.
So we just finished taking some maternity / pregnancy pictures and he is dying.
In the sun.
We have to go and take a break and get some water. We got the castle in the background. It's so perfect. And when we were getting our tickets, the lady gave us a first visit pin for the baby. So perfect, so adorable.
It's pretty cool, actually.
I know, it's so cute. We got some really good shots, but we're gonna continue on and get some refreshments here before Nelson dies. But yeah, we do have all day to take our pictures with their shade and stuff like that. But I think we got some good ones.
And when the lights come on.
And when the lights come on. But when the lights come on, it'll be dark. We won't have all this natural lighting. But this is the perfect area for pictures. We brought our little tripod for our iPhone, but this area is perfect because there's barely any people here and you have the castle in the back. So I'm gonna get this, I'm gonna get this, I'm gonna get this. All of the condiments. So we came to Casey's Corner to get some corn dog nuggets, and you can't just go up and order like normally or like you used to. So you have to do everything through mobile order. Press a little button that says, I'm here, prepare my food. And then they'll, you know, call you, or we'll see. Let us know when the food is ready. But that's new.
It's ready.
It's ready. There's that they give a notification. Cool.
9130?
9130, that's us.
9130? I tried.
You gotta wait for them to actually call it. Silly goose.
Yeah.
That's our food.
plate looks so small compared to everyone else.
There you go.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. We're eating our little corn dog nuggets in the grassy area. Grassy area. Now you get to video me for TikTok. I'm gonna actually put some ketchup and mustard and all that on the ones that I'm gonna eat. It's recording. Just gotta shoot it out. Let me show you what it's looking like. How are they? Good? He was starving. He's always starving. Put some mayo, mustard, and ketchup on them.
We're on the People Mover.
Landing tomorrow. People watching.
It's so funny, it's literally just a ride to move people.
We're doing another little snack break. I hope you're not zooming in on it.
No.
We're doing the churro with chocolate sauce. We have the Speedway right behind us. Do you guys believe Nelson has never done the Speedway before? I don't think it's safe to do this while I'm pregnant because
It's perfect to do when you're pregnant.
I was telling him somebody might ram me from behind and then I could really do some damage to my belly. You just never know. I'm trying to be safe here. So we have to come back and do that, you know, when I'm not pregnant. But yeah, I love the Speedway. The Speedway is probably like one of my favorite rides because it's slow, nice. I can't do crazy rides. I'm excited that we're here because then we can do all the cute little kid rides with like Winnie the Pooh, Peter Pan, It's a Small World. We can do Haunted Mansion.
And the Buzz Lightyear one.
The Buzz Lightyear one spins. We're not doing that.
It doesn't spin like crazy.
It
You know,
does
it's
spin.
perfect. It says pregnant people are allowed to ride it.
I don't want my baby to be scrambled eggs.
No, he's scrambled eggs every morning. What do you mean? You ready?
Smaller guests first. That means you're on first.
Actually, you got the small guest.
I'm
You
a
gotta go
little.
on
I'm a little bigger than you right now. That water smells so good. You know they have like Disney water has a smell.
What does it smell
And there's
like?
a candle at Bath and Body Works that smells just like the Pirates of the Caribbean ride.
Oh really? Does it smell like treasure?
No,
Or
it
sweaty
smells
pirates?
like. Why do you have the camera all angled like that? We're on Dumbo. For your safety, do not be an idiot. Stay inside.
No waving allowed.
No waving. Oh my God, we're going so high. Go higher.
I don't know if our Dumbo works.
Woo!
Oh, there we go.
The hydraulics in the. Oh my God. Stop bouncing!
Whoa.
Stop bouncing!
This is cool. This is actually pretty quick for a little kids ride.
Look at our
We're going
view!
down.
Go up! Go up! Let's see the castle from here. Can you see the castle? Yeah, right there. It feels so nice up here.
It does. It feels really nice. I can take a nap up here.
Yay, we're all up in the air now.
Looking for a place to eat now.
My tailbone is on fire.
Your tailbone is on fire. That's what you get for sitting down all the time.
No, it's what I get for growing a baby. Oh look, it's the Harbor House. Sandwiches, fried chicken, salmon soup salad. Let's do it.
Sounds pretty good.
We came to the Harbor House to eat. I got the lobster roll, French fries, New England clam chowder. You went with the hearty chicken fingers and French fries because there was no burgers. He really wanted the burgers.
It's still good though.
Yeah. And the nice tart and sour lemonade.
It's good.
So another thing that Nelson, oh my god, my nose feels stuffy.
Unless you're my daughter.
So another thing that Nelson hasn't done is Haunted Mansion. So he is sticking it out and waiting an hour to go and see Haunted Mansion with me. And then we ended up going to the gift shop first, and I got this really cute postcard. I love it. I think there was like 2 different designs. I went with this one. This is so cute. And the cashier thought my shirt was super cute. She didn't say anything about yours. And she gave me a first visit pin, even though I told her, it's okay, we already got one. She goes, it's okay.
Now you got 2.
Yeah. So.
One free, one free.
Yeah, okay. First visit, again. He's loving it, every second of it. We're almost there.
When ghosts are present, practicing their terror with ghoulish delight.
My Dole Whip float is not cute anymore because I already started eating it. This is so good. And then hubby got the bundt cakes. How are they? Yummy?
They're commentary.
Yeah.
Looks awesome.
This is the 50th anniversary tassel design.
It looks crazy looking. Like so many colors and.
Yeah, like you said, it looks like Legos. It looks like candy on top, like with the ribbon. Very pretty. Give some commentary.
It's awesome. We need a star like that in our tree.
Oh yeah.
Sorry. That's right in their way.
Didn't you install that sign too?
Which one?
The theater one.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
That's where we're going. Getting ready for fireworks. Hello there.
There's like 100,000 people right on top of each other.
Make a wish upon a star. Close your eyes and just believe it. You have traveled from so far, and now you're close enough to feel it. With a smile on your face and a song in your heart, this is where you're meant to be. Make a wish upon a star. The magic is here. It's here for you and
Okay, we made it to the car. We're dead. Everything hurts.
Yeah,
I can't feel my feet anymore.
very tired.
Oh my god, exhausted. But worth every penny today. We had a lot of fun.
Yeah, the new fireworks show is definitely awesome.
Yeah, so the new fireworks show was, I don't even know, is amazing.
Actually, was better than the
Fireworks are cool, huh?
I think it was a lot better than that.
Well, regardless, they all make me emotional. They're so great. Alright guys, well, we're ending the vlog here. Good night.